Today we're going to talk about order bumps using Thinkific. Imagine being able to increase order value, improve your customer experience for your online course, and grow your sales at no extra cost to you. Yep, this is what order bumps can do. So order bumps are products embedded in the checkout that a customer can add to their order with one click. Yes, listen, this is such a game changer. So for example, if a student is buying a course, they will see a complimentary product offered in the checkout. So genius. And so they can add that product to their order with one click. Both products are purchased within one transaction. Can you just imagine being able to offer something that is the next step in your customer's journey and, in your checkout, and that helps it to become a no-brainer. The next step is such a no-brainer. I'm going to take you on the back end so we can dive deeper into order bumps and how amazing they are. So I have a course called the Craveable Course Core, where I really just help you figure out the core components of your online course. And so one thing that I love is that this course is only $27, but I know that course creators really need to think about video content as it pertains to creating that online course and even marketing your online course. So the coolest thing is that when you check out, here is the order bump. You can click yes, add this to my order, and then you can see that the price changed from $27 to $64. This is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Another way that I'm using bumps is with our camera confidence class. This class is one of my signature online courses. And the amazing thing is that you can get one-to-one coaching with me for an easy upsell that I'm able to add as an order bump. This just makes things so seamless for me. And because the course is $9.99, if you want that personal experience of me walking you through this online course, you can easily click this order bump and the course price gets updated, or the total price, gets updated here at the bottom. And then you can go ahead and proceed to check out. Now, the best part about all of this is that order bumps are super easy to set up. You can literally set it up in at least 5 minutes. And when I found this out, I went and created a few order bumps. Now to find order bumps, all you have to do is head over to the Market and Sell tab inside of your Thinkific dashboard, and you'll see order bumps right there. When I said you can create an order bump in 5 minutes and that I created a bunch, I kid you not, because I actually did. Now, all you have to do is head over to here, create new order bump. Then you'd select the product that you want to be an order bump. So let's say I want it to be my Start, Shoot, Grow Your Own School course. I'm able to put in a quick title right there. You can also put your own juicy description, and you can really go in with your description. You want to make it so that it's juicy because this is an order bump. This person is only seeing this for a few minutes before they decide to check out. So make your description really good. Then you want to put your price that you're selling the order bump for in that moment. And you also want to put a strike through price, which is the original price of whatever it is that you're selling. I think it's really smart to put this, even though they have it as optional, because you want that person to take fast action and really decide to purchase that order bump. Then the last thing you want to do is select products. So you select what that order bump is going to be added to. And let's say I want to add it to this challenge. I'm able to add it to that challenge and then hit save. Now this means my order bump is actually done. 5 minutes or 2 minutes, or that was really quick. See, it doesn't take long at all. So let's recap a few things. You want to be sure that you set your strike through price on your order bump so that someone can see the value of what they would have paid without that being an order bump, and they're inclined to actually buy. Be super clear with your order bump copy. That's the second thing. Be super clear because you want that person to understand what they're getting with that order bump. If they're confused, they will leave that page right there. The last one is that You want to be sure that the offer for your order bump is complementary to the original product that this person is buying. You want it to be the next obvious step. You want to make this as easy as possible for your customer. Now, don't forget, in order to use order bumps, you have to migrate to using Thinkific payments. Now, I love the fact that I am able to just do everything in one place. I can create and sell a stellar online course, upsell my other offerings with bumps, and I can take my payments all in one place. So you don't want to forget that. Whoa, we've spent some time together, and now you know all about order bumps and how you can add this feature to your Thinkific school. I'm so excited to see how you're going to use order bumps to up-level your online course business. Listen, be sure to head into your Thinkific dashboard and create your first order bump right now. And be sure to let us know what you think about order bumps as well. All right, guys, XayLi out. I will see you around the internet. Take care.